Do you serve customers around the globe? Imagine a customer in Madrid landing on your support page. With a single click, the entire portal, from the search bar to the most complex technical articles, instantly shifts into Spanish, making self-service feel local and effortless. To start, let's look at the two main setup phases. Language enablement. First, define which languages your help desk will support. Navigate to Manage and Account Settings and select Languages. HappyFox accounts are always deployed with English as the default primary language, but you can choose a different one. Note: the primary language, once chosen, cannot be changed, so exercise caution. To support a diverse customer base, you can activate additional languages, such as Spanish, from the list below. You must check the Enable checkbox for any language you want to be available for translation. You also have the flexibility to decide exactly when these languages go live. Use the Visible in Support Center checkbox to control when a language appears to end users. This is useful if you are still working on the translation and only want the completed content to be shown to the public. Content translation. Sections and articles. Before you can translate an article, its parent section must also be translated into the destination language. Go to Knowledge Base and Sections and click on the desired section. Click Translate, specify the target language, and provide the translated name and description. Now that the section is ready, you can translate the article itself. Navigate to the desired article's details page and click Translate. HappyFox opens a new page where you can input the new translation. Crucially, the original article in the primary language is displayed on the side to use as a reference. You are responsible for your own translations. If your article contains embedded elements, like videos, you can open the source code editor to paste in the translated video, iframe, or code. You only need to manage your tags and attachments once in the primary language article. These elements are valid across all versions and will automatically synchronize across every translation. Once your content is ready, the final step is making it accessible to your global audience. Ensure the visibility is set to external to make it live for customers and click Publish. On the Support Center, customers will now see a language selector in the top right. When they switch the language, the translated article and the entire Support Center interface will appear in their chosen language. As an agent, you can also view all translated articles by simply switching the language dropdown inside the knowledge base under the articles list. The multilingual knowledge base allows you to seamlessly deliver content to your global user base, empowering them with personalized, self-service support. The translated content also helps train HappyFox AI and Assist AI across languages, strengthening your support automation. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.